Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to make Grammarly not check codes. To prevent Grammarly for checking codes, you can use the following method based on platform you are using. In Grammarly Web Editor, you can format your code in a way that signals Grammarly to ignore them. You can use block codes or contextual awareness. If you paste a block code along, which is a long code, it may be treated differently. You can place a line before and after code or set it apart as a separate paragraph. Grammarly often recognizes the text is quoted and provides limited suggestions for those sections. However, if it still checks codes, consider revising the code's presentation. While using Microsoft Word or Google Docs, you can disable suggestions for specific text. If you know you have codes you don't want checked, you can add a comment or make it clear in your notes that this section is a code. While Grammarly may still highlight issues, you can choose to ignore them. Using italic or different font for code can sometimes help Grammarly recognize them as distinct from your writing. If you are using Grammarly's browser extension with online platforms like Google Docs or any other web-based text field, there isn't a specific setting to exclude codes from being checked. However, Grammarly often doesn't critique well-known codes if you are using an extended code. It may be seen as different context. If Grammarly highlights issue within codes, you can simply ignore the suggestion, specifically if you don't apply it to the quoted material. Grammarly doesn't have a specific feature to exclude code from checks, but by using formatting technique, ignoring suggestion, and manually managing your text, you can minimize distraction caused by Grammarly's feedback on coded material. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.